Yo, what's going on? It's your boy AC Legend. I'm back with another video here in Akron, Ohio. Looking at another property here in the North Hill area, I guess you would call it. Funny thing is, right here behind me, I used to cut this grass. My dad knew the owner, and he still owns this place, by the way. I think he's getting ready to sell it. But we used to come out here and cut the grass sometimes for his residence. So we're looking at a house right across the street from it. I believe the asking price was $50,000, so we're getting an inspector out. So we're just here for the first time. Yeah, I'm here for the first time, just checking out the property. Already seeing kind of how it's sitting on this hill. Let me see, you guys can see it. So it's sitting on a hill, obviously at a slope and a slant. So just trying to see what we can do to make everything make sense structurally. Boom, as we get in here. This is, how many bedrooms is it?
What's that?
How many bedrooms? Four? 4-2?
Yeah, 4.
Okay, this is 4-2. Like I said, it kind of sits funny. And you can't really see in the video, but it kind of slopes in. I guess a family member had inherited this property and they don't want no parts of it. So we're just coming in to check it out. And I'm here with a realtor as well as someone coming over to do an inspection on it. Cool. So we're already seeing the houses. When it was built? Over 100 years, huh?
Over 100 years ago.
Yeah, you could tell. Okay, so I'm already seeing structurally this house is already leaning. But we could already assume that it's 100 years old and it's sitting on a hill. But it's really seeping into this hill as we're getting back here.
Look at these people with pills and look at the prescription pills.
Oh yeah, man, it's fresh. Sure nobody lives here?
Right, it's great. Yeah, no one lives here.
So, like I said, the family left it as is. Oh, man. So I'm already seeing this. This is telling you got foundation issues off rip. How they're splitting. Nice size though. Nice size home. A lot of stuff in here you gotta get out. Water's on in here too?
Yep.
Plumbing works good? You turned on stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a dining room and this is the kitchen?
Well, that's how it's supposed to be, but we think, Curtis and I were talking, we think that this was originally built as a duplex and then knocked down. So that would be used as a kitchen, but we were saying this is way too small to actually be a kitchen.
A little makeshift kitchen in here.
So we were saying it could knock this wall down, make that the primary bedroom downstairs, make this a walk-in closet.
Yeah.
And a little master bathroom.
And then where is he saying the kitchen will go?
Here, this room, kitchen.
This would be the kitchen.
Kitchen, yeah, to make it like the,
Okay.
That's what we were saying. And then like this, close this wall in here. To close that wall off, that could be extension of the living room.
So make this a bedroom.
Yeah, so this would be like the master bedroom that would have the closet. And there's 2 sets of stairs. There's that stairs that goes up in the front, and then see that open door?
Yeah.
That's a staircase too. So there's 2 stairs that go upstairs.
Okay, so I'm assuming this is probably the better staircase to take.
Yeah, that's don't go on.
Okay, and then what's this right? Just a closet right here? Basement.
Basement is the door to the left.
Yeah.
And then just the back door is straight across.
Okay, let's go upstairs first. So on the first floor, you got this first room, living room area, potentially a bedroom area, and then small kitchen.
Hey.
Yo, what's going on, bro?
How you doing?
AC.
How you doing?
Yeah,
AC?
I'm the youngest brother.
You the youngest
Yeah,
brother?
yeah.
I got you another.
Hey, how are you?
I was Bill Homer's real.
Yeah, you were.
Oh, yeah.
So the inspector just came in the building.
Good to see you too.
That's good.
I mean, as soon as Curtis said with it. Yeah.
Yo, so we just got to the second level. House is deep.
This is a gorgeous house. I ain't gonna lie.
House is steep and deep.
This is a really nice house, seriously. It's got a lot of older potential to it. Like you can tell whoever had this house was so rich.
I'm worried about the roof.
The roof's
Roof got replaced already.
Yeah, the roof is
They
new.
just did that, but obviously everything that came down, this never got fixed.
Yeah, So this leak right here,
Oh, bathroom.
gas, Only from the attic and the roof.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
No, don't be sorry. That room, that's how you access the attic out of that room you're going into now.
Oh, okay.
Kurt and I had to bust the door down. Seriously, that white door over there, it wouldn't open. We had to kick it down.
Oh, look at that bed in there. Jeez. With a bathroom in here?
We don't know. I mean, this was like
What
this.
type of room is this?
Well, and that's the stairs, that creepy staircase.
Okay, this is all right here is the other staircase that's from the bottom, okay.
Yeah, that's the one that's... See,
Oh,
yeah.
Let me see.
okay, this is the back deck we was looking at. I'll tell you what, the pictures,
What is this?
It's the second staircase.
Oh, that's straight down.
Yeah.
that's a tough wall. I don't plug that up. And then there's, got my dad in here.
Hold on.
Come on. Turn the light on. Let's
It's
go.
hot up there.
Yeah, we're gonna be real quick.
Hold on.
I got my light, come on. What your light gonna do that mine ain't doing?
Get closer.
He said, get closer.
I'm staying down here.
That's fine. I'm just gonna go look. All right, that's it. There ain't water up there. Yeah. That's it, Dad. Come back. Cause you don't wanna get out there and fall through this motherfucker.
I want to see, man.
I understand.
So they did put.
They put a new roof in that mug, yeah.
I'm looking at that.
Knob and tube. But these floors, yeah, you got to reinforce them floors.
I wouldn't even try to make this livable.
I would. Look at this.
No. You feel how hot it is up here?
Man, you put insulation and run a vent up here. That's why it's hot, because it's open. And ain't no insulation.
This is where the window was.
Yeah. There's a back deck right there.
Where?
That's literally on this side of the wall.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What is this right here?
Huh?
What is this stuff? Like stucco?
Let me get
Yeah, get down here.
might be asbestos.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, for real though. Is that asbestos up there, man?
I didn't even go up there and look.
Yeah, go look. You gonna start sweating instantly.
It's hot up there. Unbearable.
Geez, they got paper winders up in here. So my biggest concern right now, out of everything, that's why we got so much crack and plastic.
Yeah, Yo, so we're going down to the basement now. I went up top to the attic. It was just hot as shit. So I'm out here sweating. These stairs is ain't. These stairs is
Yeah, these are
crazy.
steep.
Man. Oh. Hopefully we can walk out of here, can we?
Yeah. When Curtis and I saw it, we went down and.
Look at his thighs.
But it's walkout too, also.
It's
Curtis
walkout.
can just go outside.
That's good.
Yeah, we can get out of this.
Yeah, we did smell gas when we were here, also, and we let the listing agent know, and she had gas company come out and say
Shut it off.
that they think that there might have been a minor gas leak in the basement somewhere, but now the gas is off.
Yikes. When you say minor, that could be
Okay.
that could mean plumbing problems.
Yeah.
It's about $4
Be
grand.
careful
Clear
stepping
this
because
house.
there's mouse traps
Yeah, easily.
everywhere.
10
I made the
grand.
mistake of stepping on one of these mouse traps when I was here before, so just watch where you're walking because of these
Hmm.
mouse traps.
Oh my God. Holy
The best
smoke.
thing is,
at
down
that.
here is that door.
Yeah, exactly.
Get out of
This
here.
is the thing down here.
Sweet.
Look how high we are,
This
back
is
in this hill.
Sweet.
Yeah, look how high we are.
Hey. When you say that, is that in a good way or bad
It's a
way?
good way. Yeah, this is all
Yeah,
right down
excuse
here.
I'm looking at all
Look how
that.
high it is.
You
Yeah.
looking at, you
This a
looking at
whole-
it as good. I'm
This a
looking
whole
at
new
all
house
that.
down here.
Yeah, it is. The walls are leaning real bad here.
Yeah, you can see
this
it.
your main. This your one of your main supports. Your load bearing.
Exactly.
But look, all of this.
Plaster shit, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, that kind of
And
stuff.
then
yeah.
after this is left.
Yeah. Ooh, I just blasted that far.
yeah, the basement is crazy down here.
Yeah,
Look how high the ceilings are, though. Wow.
They high, but
Really? Not bad? Okay.
stuff.
Yeah. So got Jay behind me. Real quick, he just ran down structurally. It's definitely some issues going on structurally with the house. Obviously, we can see with the leaning, but he said the pluses are plumbing is running,
Plumbing's good.
electric
Electrically, it's
seems to be good.
Yep. HVAC.
HVAC seems to be good. Gas, there was reported a leak at some point, so but that may or may not be that big. But the big thing is the structural, the basement, and then up top.
Up top, the collar ties.
Yeah, collar ties. Okay. All right, Jay, I appreciate you. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the back. If you want to go and get it, you got what you needed?
I already got. I can't. I was
Okay.
here early. I got it.
Okay.
All together.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
So if y'all need me, just I'll send it. Am I sending it back to Blaine?
Yeah, send it to Blaine. Yeah, take my number down too. So you got my number?
Okay. Nope, I got you. Blaine's and Kurt.
Okay.
Mind sending it to me too, just in case
Sure.
I need to be able to share that.
I still got
Yeah.
your email,
Okay, good,
so
good.
I still
yours
got
too.
your card and everything.
Cool.
Oh, yeah, that was so cool. And Curtis texted me, oh, he's
Just tell Kurt to put it in there. Oh yeah, let me see your phone.
Right. Is it?
How do you know Bill again? I forgot.
Bill, my best friend married his daughter.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Yep.
gotcha.
Shoot me a text, Brody.
Got you.
All right, I'm gonna go to the back of the house right here. Yes, sir. I'm going to the back here. Structurally, these things are a monster though. It's a big house. As you can see, the house is all leaning, so it's gonna take about at least 20 grand to get that house structurally and sound. Nah, 20.
And that wall.
Yeah, but you can get that reinforced though. You ain't gotta do the whole
Okay,
thing.
but it ain't done. He said it's done what we do, but it's not.
No, it's gonna keep falling. It's on the hill. You see that?
And you got this tree
Yeah, the big ass trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, yard work is a monster back here. Yard was a monster, but you see that retaining wall? It's falling. Yo, so I think I seen what I had to see. It's way AC Legend. I'm glad you guys want this property. I'll do a wrap-up video after this, just going over what I seen and what I think it'll take to get this house back up. Like I said, I think they wanted 50 grand for it. They definitely can't get that. There's just no way possible to even make this deal work. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll wrap this video up for you guys, but that's pretty much the house, man. You seen the whole thing. Yo, what's going on, guys? I am back in Atlanta in my office now. Wanted to quickly run through the scope of work, kind of what I was seeing when I walked the property, kind of where we're at, what our numbers, and why or why not this isn't a good deal. So I'm gonna start here. They were asking for $50,000, right? I know that in that neighborhood, when the house is fixed up, so the ARV, the after repair value of this home, is between 140 and 155. All right, so let's call it 140 because when we're running numbers, we want to always be on the conservative side. So 140K is the amount that it's going to be worth after it's fixed up. Now, here's the deal breaker right now. So foundation, we know that's going to take at least 25K to fix up. Could be more, could be less, but I'm thinking about 25 grand to be able to fix that up. Boom, so that's 25K there. 10 grand for 2 bathrooms. 10 grand for 2 bathrooms. Windows, we're probably gonna spend another 8,000 in just repairing and replacing all those windows. Furnace, hot water tank, about another 7 grand for those. Kitchen could be done for about 5 grand. Interior paint, 6,000. Exterior paint job, around 5 grand. The demo out job, so the demo, getting everything cleaned out and all that, I say about 7 grand. Yard work, there's about $4,000 for yard work if you want to cut down some of those trees in the back, make everything kind of safe for you. That front porch got detached, so I'm thinking about $1,500 to be able to fix that. The deck on the back, probably around $2,500 to make sure that that deck is actually safe. And then another miscellaneous, I say about a 6 grand worth of miscellaneous. That miscellaneous things is obviously you've seen in there the plaster and that type of work for those walls. You know, some of those walls need to get taken out and put back up. So to be honest, I would even say miscellaneous work is more so around, call it 10 to 15K. So if I added that up, all that up, my rehab budget would be at around 87. Let me see. Call it 90K. So it's worth 140, it won't 50. So 50 plus, call it 90,000. What's that get? It's about 140. So right there, and that's not even including what it costs to close on the house. That's not including interest on the home for the hard money. So yeah, this deal right now just doesn't work. It's just not gonna work for me because this is a lot more work than I kind of want to put into a deal. Even if the numbers made sense, it might be a good deal, but it might not be for me. But realistically, this property had to be sold for like 10,000 for it to even make sense. If we were to get this house for 10K, which we probably could at least bargain and work on that price a little bit, and then we put 90 into it, then we'd be all in about 100. And like I said, it's still only 140. There's only 40 grand left in that deal, which is still not a lot of money made for a lot of work to be done. But yeah, that's kind of where we have to be. So this deal, unfortunately, is not a deal. But shortly after that video you guys seen, I ran through another property, which I didn't get to record because my phone was dying. And I think that deal makes a lot more sense, and I think we're gonna close on it. So yeah, it's all about getting out, walking these properties, walking these homes. And then obviously understanding and knowing what you're looking for. It makes perfect sense to go ahead and hire you an inspector when you're serious about buying a project or a property, because the inspector can go ahead and give you the rundown on what is what. So yeah, it's your boy AC Legend. If you guys are interested in more of these real estate videos where I walk through properties, I promise you I'm gonna get better. It's kind of hard doing these vlog style because I'm holding the camera here, and you guys can't see everything. Hopefully in the near future, YouTube is making me enough money where I can afford a videographer to just go ahead and walk through with me. I can fly them up or just pay somebody that's in the area to be able to walk properties with me so they can get every single detail. But I hope you guys at least enjoy this piece of content. This deal is not a deal. No go for this one, but we're going to keep looking. Like I said, I think I found one, the next property I ran into. So it's your boy AC Legend. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you haven't already joined my free Facebook community, if you don't know, we have something special coming out, a free courses coming out. All you have to do is getting to our school platform, which is absolutely free for everybody at this moment. If you're interested in that, go ahead, reach out to me, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.